Hello, hello, hello. Hello, guys. Welcome to this stream. Hmm. Hello, Alam. Hello, Radhya. How good to trade? Hello. Hi, bro. Do you remember me? Yeah, bro. I remember you. Victor, hello. Wait. Long time no see, bro. Cause some works busy. Yeah. Now you can see the stream, right? Now let's do some analysis today. Currently, I'm short on this somewhere from here. I took a short and somewhere from here and holding to this level. I took one shot yesterday also here. I already told the right on the stream or the Tuesday stream that we can look from short, like that's a scalp, right? Overall short from here, we can look from somewhere here, some to this level. Let's see what the market do. Let's do some higher time frame analysis first. Go to daily. Let's do this. You 6. Okay, let's analyze this. If you look at the pair, this pair, we have see like low to high. Price is already at the premium, right? Above the 618. So we already know that 618 is a good level, right? The price already at premium. There's a for a daily level. Then I switch to 4 hour to check is there any more clear level. If you see there's a OB, right? Price also tap out this all the liquidities here. If you look at this, see this is all the also liquidity, but let me delete this one. If so this is a level I was looking at. First I took the shot from here, but I didn't took at the second shot. I I took only took. Let me give you. This was my entry somewhere from here, and I closed around this one. I was looking at the second entry, but my model didn't form here. I was looking at some level to short, but but didn't get the opportunity. And I already told that people on my Discord that you can target till this level, and this could be a like a good level to buy from. But I'm expecting, like, look at the 4 hour candles, right? Price took out these levels, make a turtle soup, some kind of a liquidity sweep, and tap out the below. And the second candle tap out this order block. If we look at the lower time frame, this is the order block here. This is the order block here. So I entered around. Just how already told you on the previous stream. Okay, don't go below like 10 minutes, right? See, check this out. This was my entry around. This was the sweep, and I took somewhere entry somewhere from as low as exactly here. I closed somewhere 80% here, and then the rest I still running. Rest is still running 80%. I closed here. This was This was the level for me to close, and the rest is still running. We'll see. And I'm also in the also took out this one, right? UAG short. I'm still holding this one. It's all about liquidity. This the short man. I shorted G. What is this? Why is it high simple? Hi Hasib. Bhati. I shorted GU in phase one pass. Congratulations to you then. Okay, miss the short man. Yeah, you need to check the right. You need to like you use the alerts na. Mark the alert at the higher time frame level and then wait for the alert to go and then check out the stream only. And guys, also there's a black side sale going on currently on MCF. You can use Rohan code Rohan for the Rohan 50 for the maximum discount of 50%. This is a good deal. You can buy accounts. And if you're going with the MT5, you can use Rohan for 30. Well, let's go analyze CAG. Okay, really, if you look at really see how you can how you can analyze the range. See, I already told you on the last stream, right? When price had the price made a price action on one candle inside three candles, right? One, two, three, and the third candle can be considered as range sweep, and you can look the other type of the range, right? For example, I give you, let's check this out. This is range price one, two, three. Three candle tap out. The third candle took the liquidity, and one, two, three, four. Again, check out this one. It is rejecting from this exact same level. It took I'm targeting at least this level. We'll see what happens. Let me check my trade. It is okay. Yes, still going on. Yes. Good. And guys, it's not a financial advice. It's just I'm showing my perspective here how to analyze the market. Okay, if we are not showing here any financial advice here. Bruce, can you give details on key level, how to identify them? Yeah, for key levels, for example, if you are trading Euro USD or any pair which is USD correlated, okay, first you need to do is go to the XY, right? Go to the XY and then mark out the levels. Okay, let me analyze this one once again for you. Let's do this once again. Wait a minute. Let me delete this one. Let's go to monthly time frame first. Okay, I will analyze, right? This is monthly level, price took out monthly low. Then we'll go to weekly if there is a level to weekly, right? Okay. We look at this price rejected. Look at the candle rejection, right? Look at the candle rejection. Then you can expect that the price at least for 1 week or 2 week can go to other direction, right? Opposite side of the direction. Then you can go to daily. And now look for the order flow. If you mark out this one to wait a minute, I think wrong. Mark out the high to low. Mark out any region below 50%, right? Okay. So this looks good. Then you go and mark out these levels. Okay, then wait for any kind of like a sweep to form, right? First. Then again you go for to like at this one. Wait for another. Delete this one again. Okay, we only know that price is rejected from the discount level. So we expect the price can take out this one, this one, this one. So just we need to find a level according to DXY. and then we can look at the euro and analyze this pair again. Okay, I will show you how to analyze this pair also, right? This is, and then we can again go for like 261 again, see price rejecting again, same level. You don't need if okay, if you're looking at, wait a minute guys, okay, now if you're looking at only 0.618 level, no, you need to you need to also look at a level that can support 0.61 level, right? Now same, if I look at this one, right, high to low, right, exactly 618. We see, we are not right now, we are not 100% sure that the price can take out these levels. We are just, okay, we are just taking reactions, right? We are only taking entries on the reactions currently. This is the level. Price took out, if we look at this, price took out this one. And then how we can identify this one? This is we can identify the reversal on lower time frame. Okay, this all the levels, and how we can look for that. If there is a pullback here, there's a pullback here, there's a pullback here. Pullback comes after price takeout, like major liquidities, and there's a level for that. Then you can understand. Voice gone. Hello guys, can you hear me? Take out this level, because this is a range, right? If you look at the range perspective, look at this one, right? This one is all range. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candle. It took 6 candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it took 6 candle to take out this range. That's why I longed a long euro, right? You can form your idea according to DXY, right? And then you can go for the levels, right? Now you understand, and now how you able to go for the higher time frames on euro. Okay. Let me delete this one. Let me delete the XY. No, the XY here could be good. Here, euro. Now, what you can do is, for example, look at this. Price is at this swing high. Okay, DXY at this swing high, and then rejecting. Now look at the euro and try to find, is there any level that price can support for the bullish price action, right? Then try to find that level. For example, there is a daily FEG here, right? There is a daily FEG, and we look at this price swept 1, 2, 3. Price swept 2 days prior lows, and it is right. See, check out this level, right? It is supporting our short bias on DXY and bullish bias on the dollar. And there's SMT also. Then you can look, then you know, right, key there is a 50% chance that price can go to bullish direction, right? Then you can look at your, like, whatever your trading model is, then you can look for the entries there, right? For example, that's why how I able to took like here long, here on the stream, right? We were on this stream just about Tuesday stream, right? I told you, right? I took the long here. The price tap out this level, this level, this level. Price clear. Price already clear all these levels. That's how you able to understand how you need to find the IFM directions by looking at the DXY, right? And now how you can look at the how to enter the trade. Now clear, bro. You are audible. You are so knowledge. Voice going same sound. All okay. See, now how you can look at the entries, guys. I'll give you simple advice. Whenever you want to enter any market, it's not about like euro, forex, CFD, any market you are trading. Always wait for the sweeps. Sweeps are the most important thing. If I say something like that, and then enter. If price is doing something like that, right? Let me give you another example, then it would be clear, right? Then I will give you some live examples also, right? For example, if price doing something like that and then moves, for me, I don't enter like that. I don't enter this kind of price action. For me, this would be a like consolidation, or we'll say a manipulation, and price can go something like that. That's why I don't enter this kind of move for the longs. But if price doing something like that and then sweep and then did this, then for me that would be a plus setups for the entries. As long as price took out the recent liquidities and then move, I can enter. But if price didn't took out like recent liquidities and made some consolidation and then just goes to the bullish direction, then I will not enter, because for me this would be a risky setup. As long as if you do this, then I can enter here or anywhere, then you can enter. Then you can consider that good setup. Reversal with sweep, it's not about, guys, it's not about the reversal, it's every setup, right? It's not the reversal. Continuation also comes with the sweeps. Continuation is also come with the sweep. If you look with the, I'll say, if you are trading and just try this, okay, check, just open any chart on forex or CFDs or indices, okay, look at the sweeps and after the moves, look at the sweep and after the moves. If you start to taking the, if you start to take the trade after the sweep, your win rate will definitely increase. You will able to basically reduce your losses. Okay, I'll give you, right. That's for we are right. We are trading this. We already told you, right. Let's. Okay. Now we know by DXY, by analyzing DXY, that the price euro can go in bullish direction. Now we need to look for the continuation, right? I took the entry here, but it is advanced entry, right? It is not for everyone, right? For beginners. Now you need to look for the entries. And how you can look for the entries? I told you, right? Always wait for the sweeps and then you can enter. How you can look for the sweeps? Go for like 15 minute. 15 minute is more than enough. 15, 10 and 30 is more than enough. Don't go below 5 minutes. If you want to go for 5 minutes, look for the very clean, like very clean. Okay, let's do this. I'll show you, right? Long, 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 long. This is here could be like some kind of SMT definitely. See. Now let me delete this one. Now look at this one, right? Every major moves come with the sweeps. Check out this. Bro, how did you take entries here, lower, here, lower, here, all those aren't swept? It's, bro, you need to find the level, na? You can't take like this, right? See, if, for example, if you know that the market is going up and you can, if you're looking for the sweeps, you took somewhere entry here, right? Something at that, where you put your SL. You put SL placement is also important, right? You can't put your SL like you took the sweep and you put your SL. No, no, I'll not do that. If you are like advanced knowledge, then you can do that. But if you're beginner, you need to understand also the stop loss placement, right? Where you need to put your stop loss, right? For example, let's say this is the sweep, right? We already took this one. If I am taking here, if you are beginner, where you put your SL, you will not put your SL here. You will put your SL somewhere here, right? And then you will take the trade again. Same here. If you took the entry somewhere here, you will not put your SLD here, key here. Oh, bro, no, no. You will put your SL somewhere at a logical level, right? Something like that, and then you can enter. Give your SL enough room, right? You don't need to go for like the 5 minute SL or 5 pip SL or 3 pip SL, bro. It's not literally that easy to take 3 pip or 4 pip SL, right? It's not that easy, literally. So that's why look for the logical level, right? If you are like trading, always look for the logical level, right? Logical level for the SLs, right? For examples, okay, and then I'll show you the level, right? Okay, this was also the setup we missed. Let me change this one too. See, there are levels, right? That's how you take trades. Will you'll say, bro, there is no level here. Yeah, there is. See, check out this one. That's how you're able to understand key what market is doing. That's how you're able to take the trade, right? And that's how I able to frame this short also, right? I was looking at the DXY. Wait a minute, it's okay. That's why let's me. This is the DXY, right? No, yeah. That's how I took the long on euro dollar. Same daily price took out this one. This is a good level. Price at the discounted level took out the range low. So like I have like more than enough reason to go for the shorts on euro, right? More than enough reason. If I took the loss, it's okay for me. I can take that risk, right? For me, it's okay to take that loss. Then you know, right? Ki everything you okay, you understand that the price is for DXY or DXY is at good level, but for euro to go, you also need to find is there any level you can short from, right? Yeah, there is. Definitely. Okay, then you go for same 20, 15, 30 minute, and it, look for this one. Let me remove this. If you go to, like, see, now let me do this. See, check out this, right? Again, sweep price comes below this one, and you can enter. Look for some kind of entries. See, again, there is a level price took out this one. You can enter here. Then you can look for another opportunities if there is. Now, if 4 hour candle, like see 4 hour candle didn't close, I will wait for one more 4 hour candle to be formed here. And then is there any FVGs or level, then I can short. If there is no 4 hour level, then I will not short. I will wait for 4 hour level to be formed. Then I will look for the entries. Asif Farooq, bro, how you doing? Prior you said if it sweep all those, then take the long, but three entries, then they are lows pretend pending to be swept. No, 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 it's not, bro. You are not understanding, right? Where is the lows? Where is the low? Where, which low you are talking about? This low is swept here. This low is swept here. This low is swept. All the lows are swept, right? This is all lows are swept right here, and this is all the highs are swept here, right? Then which lows, which highs are you talking about, brother? Which lows and which highs, brother? Do you have any question you can ask? If you have any question, guys, you can ask. I'll try to give the answers. And you can like this stream, guys. If you're liking the alphas shared here, you can like this stream, guys. Mm. Let's look at another pair, right? GU. Let's do weekly. We check out this same. If you analyze this one, something like that. Look at this one. This is the level again. Again. Need to reduce it. Now you can. I have so many mentor and trading groups, both paid and free, but none of them are at your level. At your level, your DX when your analysis are truly at next level. Thank you, brother, for the compliment. Look at the gold, bro, 100 pips in just one 5 minute candle. For the short or the long? Gold. Let me check gold. This one, right? Yeah, that's why for gold I was literally I I'm still for the downside. Why? Let me give you simple, right? For the gold, I am not like if I'm a short, I'm not looking for the longs for the gold right now. I'll give you the example why. Let me remove this one. check out this one, right? First, gold is at the daily level. This candle looks good for the bullish, right? This is good closing here. Why I'm not currently liking it to go for the longs? You look at this candle and we'll go 1 hour and we go to silver also here. You look at this one. See, from this candle to this candle. It's making lower low and it's making higher highs. Silver making higher highs and gold making lower lows. So I am not keen to long this one. I will wait for the opportunities if there are. When I get the pullback, then I will look for the long. But currently, I'm not. I'm not in a mood to take a loss, right? So I will wait. See that this is there is nothing to be. Okay, guys. I'm showing the sweep example, right? Ki how you can look at this. I will show some more good example on this one also, right? This is also good for the you can see. If you look at the all the moves I traded, all are coming from the sweeps, right? All of the some are traded, some I was backtesting. See all the basic, see all the moves are coming from the sweeps, right? Sweeps, again, again. See, check out this. For that long, I was looking at this level. Price, if price tap out this level, I was looking for the long for the silver somewhere here. Put my limit here. My SL was somewhere here, and I was targeting this high, something like that. But price didn't like took out this low, so I missed the trade. That's a easy, literally, that's an easy strategy you can follow, right? You don't need to look for like a some data scientist or some kind of like a scientist to trade. It's easy, right? Wait for a level, wait for a good level to be formed, higher, mostly higher time frame levels, and wait for the some kind of good sweeps, right? You need to wait for a like higher time frame sweeps, right? For example, the sweeps are cleans, right? Clean sweeps. If you look at this one, this sweeps. Every movies come from the sweeps mostly. If you look at the okay, the same level I gave on this stream also. Okay, you can okay, let's analyze. Okay, I think I already analyzed, right? GU. Yeah, we already analyzed GU. That's how you analyze, right? Weeklies marked at the weekly levels, right? Weekly order block again, weekly order block again, weekly order block was here to price. See, price already tap out this weekly order block, right? This week tap out, then it just gave the reaction again. That it made the range. If we are talking about where the range, see, this is the range price 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks, 4 weeks of the price action in the consolidation. Then okay, then price took out this weekly FEGs. Now you need to wait for the confirmation whether price want to go down or up. See, for 4 hour like 4 hour candle is right now currently making like showing some good momentum to the downside. We'll wait for the right key if there is an opportunities or not. So this works everywhere, brother. If I'll show you, for example, this is sweep, right? Will price go down and took out this some levels, but need to identify, right, which sweep to take or which sweep didn't, right? So this how you That's why I mostly trade euro, right? I don't trade GU. I use GU for like SMTs or some cross analysis for the EU only. EU shows clean actions, no? Clean price action, price moves. That's why. 3 a.m. low on 23rd, then 12 a.m. low on the next day. Yep. This can go to this. We'll see. Let's check out our Bitcoin, what Bitcoin is doing currently. Is there a Bitcoin going good or analysis? Yep, see, our Bitcoin analysis is going good. I think we have taken right now. Where is let me check here. Where I took some entries. Yep, same. We tap out this and this level. This is good levels, right? For Bitcoin. If you look at the monthly, right? Same here, price took out this one. This is a good level. Then you need to wait for daily. Is there any level? Yep, there is a level on daily. Go for like this note. I opened some soul spots, right? For the wings. We'll see what what I'm getting or not. Okay, then you can go 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour looks good. Then wait for mostly 1 hour, 30 matches more than enough, like sweeps. Like there isn't one sweep here, one level here, right? Then there is another. Is here is yes, here something like that. Then you can also find is there any level for the sweep is going with the levels, right? Now for that level easy to if not that check out then 061 again swing to low 061 again. Yes, like that. Yeah, this is my right currently swing position running. Oh, so we'll see what happens next. Guys, do like this stream, right? There's only four likes here, right? You can like this stream, guys. Do you have any question you can ask? Currently, we're for if you want a short again, there is no current level, right? If we look at the 4 hour, currently there is no level, and we can. I'm looking this level to be flipped, right? To flip, if price flip this level and do something like that, then I can look for right key some entries. 4 hour there is no level. 1 hour level is already tapped. This was the 1 hour level is already tapped. So currently there's no short for me. What is doing? Let's check this one. I think there's a holiday, so it will not. Do you have any question you can ask, guys? If you have like any questions about like trading, anything, you can ask. And currently there is a Black Friday sale going on. If you use Rohan 50, you will get the 50% discount. And for the MT5, if you use Rohan 30, you will get 30% discount. Let's do some. If you want to become a profitable, you need three rules to follow only. First, profitable system. Most important thing. Second, then rules to trade a day, and then third one is as simple as risk management. And this is the most important thing to follow first. Without this, this is not important. If first you need to do this one, and then you can do the rest of this, right? You need to have a profitable system for that. And how you identify that the system is profitable? Do loss of backtesting. For that, I'll say around, if you'll take a trade around like 300 trade, yeah, 300 trade is more than enough to understand that your system is profitable or not. Do you have a personal Discord, bro? You have a, yeah, yep. I do live trade every day on that my Discord. Oh, I see. That's the thing I'm saying, right? Most of the trade I took live, right? Only live. Like this trade, right? If I'll say, it's not that I took this trade. I'm just saying, nahi. All of the trade I took live in front of my like Discord, and I already, and all the like the receipts was on Twitter, right? I already posted this thing on all Twitter that the trades. How do you choose your level? How do you choose your level? You mentioned. For that you need to have, see, for that you need, you go for like daily and 4 hour. 4 hour is more than enough for the levels. 4 hour daily, but I mostly use 4 hour levels. Check out this one, right? This is 4 hour FVGs. This is again a 4 hour level, right? This is again a 4 hour level. If I check out this one, see, if I look at this one, this is 4 hour levels again, right? Check this out, right? This is 4 hour level again. 4 hour level. This is 4 hour. I took a shot from here, so this is also a 4 hour, right? Let me delete this one. This is 4 hour level again. This is 4 hour. That's how I look at. I'll give you one more example, right? I don't need a like a clean level, right? If you are looking at that key a perfect level, right? No, I generally need an idea around, right? Where is 4 hours doing, and what are the levels, right? For example, if I look at this level, right, check this out. Is there any FPG? No, na. But there's a 4 hour level. Price tab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 candle. 4 hour, 6 4 hour candle was here, right, making consolidation. So I'm expecting to that can get some kind of reaction, and the price is going on the right bearish direction. So then, in my mind, I know in the back of my mind that I know that price can go to bearish direction. I'm not 100% sure, but we'll take the chance here, right? Trading is all about it, probabilities, right? Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. It's all about probability. For example, this trade I took, right? For example, let's say this example, for example, this trade, right? I was looking at, right? But price didn't tap out my level. That's why I'm saying it's probability. Price will tap out, not if suppose if price not tap out, will I take it? That's the question, right? So everywhere is a level. No, no, not everywhere is a level, bro. It's not like that. Everywhere is a level. First, see, for first you need to understand what market is doing. Okay, for levels you can't trade like let's see, market is going up and you are looking for the sell levels, right? It's not work like that. Every level works if you are trading according to the market, right? Market direction, right? Higher time frame directions. Then every level works. But if you are going against the market, then you are like handcrafted level, or your 100% sure level will not work. It's work like that, right? You need to understand where the market with a higher time frame is doing, and then you can look for the levels, right? So for look at this one, market is going bullish direction. Then look at the 4 hour, what 4 hour is doing. So for suppose example, you are here, right? You are looking at what 4 hours doing. 4 hours going up. Then you need to look for the 4 hour levels. This is 4 hour, and then this is 4 hour again. You know that key what 4 hour is doing. 4 hour is making bullish, right? Is bullish. Then you look for the buy side, right? Only. Why are you looking for the sell side levels if your 4 hour is going upside, right? For example, if I'll say, right, you can trade this level, right? You get the reaction, right? You get the reaction here. But price didn't sustain that reaction. Why? Because 4 hour is bullish, right? Trade according to the 4 hour, what 4 hour is doing. You will be profitable, or you will take some less losses, right? If you wait for the 4 hour, but 4 hours doing four buy side, sell side. That's how you do it, right? I already discussed that, right? How you can identify the direction of the market if you don't know higher time frame levels, right? I think I already discussed, right, that thing. Do something like that. Draw us just draw this one, something like that, and then look for what current market is doing. Just check, do something like that, and then identify what current 4 hours doing. 4 hours making lower lows, then wait for only 4 hour levels to be tapped, just like that. For example, look at the 4 hour closing. Then will I take the short? No, because there is no 4 hour level currently right now, right? Ask yourself a question: will you take the short here? Will you take the short something like that? No, nah, because there is no level to be formed. If one more candle forms somewhere here, right here, and then price tap out, then I can say that yeah, okay, I can look for the shorts opportunities. That's how we trade, right? See, it's if I say something, let me delete this one. If I draw this one, and then now see, you will understand something like that. See, now you will see, this is your sweep, right? Sweep setup. right? This is your sweep setup. That's people describe, right? That's how you able to try. Okay, but I'm good at shorting. That's why what I do is I always inverted my time frames to look for example, if I want to long, right? I want to long this. So I will not look at this one because I'm good at shorting. So I will do something like that. Then I will look at this one. See, now check out this how clean it is looking, right? For example, this was also the sweep, right? Now it's looking right. See, that's what I'm saying, right? I look at the with the inverted inverted time frame. If market is going bullish, I look at this like that. I draw level and do something like that because I'm good at shorting, not buying rather than buying. See, now again the market is tap out, and for me, I'm expecting price to this low, right? This low, and then price can do something to this low, is this low, right? And then can go something like that. So you can plan according to that. That's how you do it, right? Find a level, find a higher time frame level, and then look for the opportunities on the high time frame level. Don't take like 1 hour, 30-minute level. All these things mostly don't work, like, right? That's what I'm saying. Wait for the good level to hit and then took the entry. Just as simple as that. It's literally not that hard, guys. That you can, if you have any question, you can ask, guys. Mm. Bakawa says really insightful. Thank you. Sometimes you are choosing an FEG, sometimes bodies to weak. Wise, I ask. Okay, Jesus says sometimes you are choosing an FEG, sometimes bodies to weak. That's why I ask. Okay, I'll give you for that. Go for it. No, I don't choose level like that. I just a generalized idea. I look for generalized idea, right? For example, I'm not like this is the level line. No, I'm looking at just generalized idea that price can go from this level, right? This whole hour level. So I'm just generalizing the idea that price can go from this level. Daily streaming from now. No, brother, it's Tuesday and Thursday for me. I'll be doing the stream for like Tuesday and Thursday mostly. See that you understand that how I mark, right? It's not about key I am looking for FVG. No, it's generalized idea, right? Key this is whole level here, right? Then price can go from this level. For example, something like that. I'm marking no, this is whole generalized level. The price can go from the here. Price can go from like this is whole generalized level. It's looking. I'll mark this like it because it looks little bit clean, now. That's why, right? And that's how I mark like generalized idea, right? It's mm, real answer. Can you explain more on your entries after liquidity sweeps? That's a simple entry, right? After liquidity sweep, you just need to enter, right? It's not like I'm looking at, or say I have like some advanced concept also, but for beginners, it's hard to understand, right? For beginners, it will be very hard to understand this concept. That's why I'm giving you like a simple concept, right, where you can look at and get the entries simple as that. You can wait for like if something like that, right? Sweep, and then you can enter if price do something like that below this one, as then you can enter somewhere here, right? Something like that. Suppose you can enter something like that, right? The price, is there any level, and then tap and then took entry, just right. And target, and most important thing is the trading is also that targets, right? You can't like you took the entry and yeah, you're waiting for like 1:6 or 1:5 or that generally not happens, right? That's why you also need to define your target. Some people go for mechanical, some go for dynamic RR. I go on the basis of liquidities, key which liquidity to target or which not. For example, if I took the trade, right, I can go for this levels, right? But I didn't, right? I took entry here. I waited for this level to be hit, right? I close my entry here. Why? Because wait for, you need to have like a generalized idea, like which level you are targeting. For example, I took entry here, right? Took the entry here. I can go for this level, no? But I targeted this one, exact this level. Why? Because it's all about the liquidity levels, right? If price took off so many levels, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, then mostly the price reverses. Then I don't want my entries to be a BE, right? For example, if I took this entry, will I go for this home run? No. Will I go for this home run? No. If I taking if I take entry here, I will close some here, and then wait then for the overall target, right? I will not try to do a single home run. If I took an entry here, then I'll know that mostly price can go to this level. But I will target this FVG first and then rest. Same if I took entry here, will I target up here? Check out this. If I took entry here, there's only one liquidity, right? This one or this some small wicks, right? Then I can took the entries here. If I target, I didn't take out this entry, guys. I didn't take this entry. Okay, I'm just showing this example. I didn't take a this entry. I took this one, and this one. I also missed this one. I took this one, this one, and right. You don't like need to go for to like the streams. And this is all, guys. This is not a financial advice. Okay, we are just analyzing the pair here. Um, and you can also join our Discord. Can I know mostly your entry on what time frame? 10 minutes. Mostly I enter on 10 minutes. Mostly 10 minutes. 10 minutes, mostly 10 minutes, and after that, sometime like 45 minutes. For example, I'll give you a simple example. If I like taking 10-minute entries for 10 minutes, but if there is no clean setup there, then I wait for the another opportunities, or switch my time frame like 45 minutes or 1 hour, then I'll enter. Okay, if I like, for example, let's say this is 10 minutes, right? For this, there are so many sweeps here, right? Let's say, okay, this was right. This is sweep. This is also and sweep here, right? Up now for 10 minutes, there are lots of it can be confusing, right? Then I will switch time frame, like we'll go to, well, first we'll go to 30 minutes. Where is the right? So for 30 minutes, there is no level here, so I'll close this one. Then I'll wait for, if there is no another clean entry, then I'll wait for 1 hour. See, for 1 hour, now see, look at this one. This is going a good sweep, then I enter. If 10 minutes is clean, then it's good. If not, then I'll switch time frames, like 1 hour, 30 minutes, or all the time frames, and then I'll enter. Your CAG silver trade is going good for me. Euro already closed here. We'll wait for, I think maybe tomorrow we can get us good entry. I'm waiting for like one more candle to form something, just candle, and then price can like tap this and then can go something like that, right? But if the candle form, this candle can form like this, then I will not look for the opportunities to trade. Then I'll look for not any questions, or right, you can, if you have any question you can ask, right? Like now you understand that how I analyze the pair or everything, right? ठीक है ना? I'll give you general idea also, right? How you able to like how you need to clear your challenges or all about. For example, and there is this kind of question, right? I think I get so many times, right? How to approach the challenges or all that. Suppose if you have like around 2k, 3k, or like say 5k on your all of this money, right? You have for the challenges, one or the living, right? For the challenges only. Try to go first try to find a consistency, right? First of all, if you are, thanks bro, if I ask you POV and USD JPY, okay bro, like I will explain how to analyze USD JPY. Okay, the first you need to do is, if you first try to find the consistency. Okay, for that, don't go for like a big accounts, right? Try to go for like 10k or 25k. If you have 2k budget, then go for 5k on 10k only. But if you use my code on like MCF already, right, Rowan50, you will get like 50% discount on like both the accounts. So you can get like 4 account on the price of 2 accounts. Then when after that, let me create this one. Okay, after buying 5k or 10k account, if you have 3 or 2k budget, right? And then try to find consistency on this account. When you able to get the payouts like 3 or 4 payouts, right? When you're able to get the 3 or 4 payout from the 10k account or 5k account, then you know that you have like a setup that which is consistently profitable, which can get you to the money. Okay, then you can do is, then you can go for, don't after that go for like 25k or 50k. After that, go for 50k and try to clear at least 2 or 3 50k accounts before purchasing 100k. Okay, on 50k you can use the same Rohan50 code, you can get 50% discount on that also. Okay, after that clearing like 3 or 450K and getting to the payouts, then you get the confidence, right? That you can trade bigger account also. Then you can purchase 100K. And one more thing, that anything you are earning from the payouts, only spend 30% of that payouts earning on the challenges, and the 70% you can, or you can like invest on like indices, or for on your family, or you can put onto your bank account also, right? 30% of the your payout earning on the challenges, and do this thing and scale for like 1 million or 2 million in funding. Okay, and one more thing is, don't go for like a home run, right? Don't go for home runs, right? Trade like, try to get like 2 hours, 2 to 5 hours is more than enough for a month. Not two, sorry. 5 to 6 hours in a month is more than enough, right? Some people will say, bro, they are like 30 or 50 or no. That's a myth, right? Go for like 5, 6 are more than enough for the month, right? It's more than enough if you wanna go. And the pro trader asks, trading only props or on capital? Both you can do. I trade both, right? I do both. My own capital and all the prop also, right? You can do both first, but for the own capital, but first try to like build a buffer, right? Build a buffer or good capital by trading props, get the payouts from that from the props, and then build your personal account. I will give you that advice. See, you can, there's like there's a lots of good opportunity in prop trading, right? Right, you for like on, if I'll say, if the right account is 600K, if you use RON 50, you will get like three, like suppose 300K, right? For $300 you are getting 100K account, right? Will you get on your own capital? Will you get your own capital? No, no. For $300 you are getting like 100K account to trade. If you are making, suppose if you made like 4% on that account only, you already get $4,000, and after that 80% is already for a $3,200, right? On a single account. If you have like 5K or 500K funding, then that's what I'm saying, right? Leverage the prop, and after that build your own personal capital. But for that, first leverage the prop. Thus you can do this, right? I think I think I answered everybody question. One question is remaining. The go to us. If I ask a POV on USD JPY, it's can, yeah, USD JPY. Let me check. USD JPY. First advice is, I'm sharing on my opinion. It's not a financial advice, guys. Okay. Now let me give you USD JPY. Where is the USD JPY? USD JPY is currently in a range, right? If I look at this one for hour, again price rejected this level. Currently in a range, right? This level is, so if you consider this level, yeah, uh, for me, if I need some kind of like good reaction, then I can target this one, right? Where for this kind of price action, right? Something like that. Where then you can target same kind of same this kind of price action, right? See, so wait for this, something like that, right? And you can go for the do like the stream. I think I have also answered all the questions, right? Okay, I'm like stopping the stream for after the 5 minutes. If you have any question, you can ask, and after that, I will be closing the stream. If you if you have any question, you can ask, right? Then I will be closing the stream. Thank you, bro. Wait for the sweep and hope can get us set up on NY. But I think there's a bank holiday, right? I think there's a bank holiday. I think. Good work. Thanks, bro. Thanks, bro, for the appreciation. And that's how you identify. That's it. Only 4 hour level, right? The reaction rates, and then you can, or you can do it after 4 hour. You can like uh, go for 1 hour. Basically, you can like identify the 4 hour and then late, right? And guys, it's done for the stream, and now happy Thanksgiving. Okay, guys, and then guys do follow us on every platform. We are on Twitter, we are on Instagram, and then do join our Discord also. And also I'll share my most of the alpha on Twitter also. You can follow there. And then thanks for the joining, guys. We'll be seeing on the Tuesday stream. All you welcome to join that stream. And a happy Thanksgiving for everyone.